In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and use your Essence Stones after you reach level 20 on your furnace. As you can notice, I am not level 20, so I won't be able to visually demonstrate this process, but after you acquire a furnace level 20, you will have access to the Mastery Foraging button when you go over to your Heroes tab. In your Heroes tab, when you select any piece of legendary hero gear, you will be able to upgrade it using your Essence Stones. So select the gear that you wish to upgrade, and you will be able to use any Essence Stones that you have on the piece of legendary hero gear after level 20. So as long as you have a level 20 furnace, you will have access to the Mastery Foraging button where you can manage and upgrade your legendary hero gear after level 20. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Essence Stones in Whiteout Survival. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.